picture of it.
Oh goodness.
What's the dog's name?
Her name's Beyonce.
Hey, Beyonce!
Oh, that's awesome. Beyonce.
Beyonce's leaving.
Y'all have a scavenger hunt?
Yes.
So far, we've hugged a member of QT also. Like Duck Duck Booster and it's.
All right, give her back so that you can do.
Are you from the Appalachian Mountains?
We lived there for like first 10 years of my
Okay.
life.
That's a really cool school.
It is.
That's really cool.
All right, now they have to be Daniel Morgan.
Okay.
Your right hand is at your side and you're holding a sword.
Is this for church?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to look that way.
And you have to look off. Yeah, and you have to hold it for 30 seconds. That's a long time. And you can't laugh. Stop! Mary! Wait, I gotta get Daniel in it. Y'all are doing a great job. "15 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 3, 2,